Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. In this video, I will try to demonstrate you the concept of catch-all block. So this catch-all block can be used for catching all type of exceptions. Okay. So for example, if you are throwing integer type of exception and there is no catch block for catching integer type of exception, then it will be caught by this catch all block. Okay, it is also called generic block, generic catch block. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I will create one try block here. Now within this try block, we will try to throw integer type of exception. Let's say throw 100, and then this try block will be followed by catch block of character type. Let's say const char, and here I will print some message cout exception caught. Okay, and followed by this catch block I will write one more catch block which will be catch all block. Now this is catch block of character type. This will be called catch all block, catch all block. Okay, this block is also called generic catch block. This block is also called as generic catch block. Why? Because this catch block can catch all kind of exceptions. Okay, and the important thing is it should be defined, it should be written at last. Okay, so if you have n number of catch blocks after a try block, then this universal catch block or the generic catch block or catch all block should be written at the end after writing all catch block. Okay, because control is going to search catch block from top to bottom order. So if no catch block found to catch the thrown exception, it will be caught by this catch all block, or another name is generic catch block, generic catch block. Okay, so these three dots are called ellipses. Okay, these three dots are called ellipses. Okay, so this is what your catch all block. So here I will write cout. Let's say we will say default exception block. Okay, so understand this. Here in this program we are throwing integer type of exception, integer type of exception, and followed by this try block there is a catch block of character type. So we do not have any catch block for catching this integer type of exception. So what will happen? So this integer type of exception will be caught by this catch all block. Okay, and it will print a message default exception block. Okay, so when this catch all block gets executed, when there is no match for thrown exception. So in this program we are throwing integer type of exception, but we do not have any valid catch block for catching it. We have catch block for character type, but we do not have a catch block for integer type. That's why it will be caught by this catch all block or generic catch block. Okay, so let's try to build this program. Control B, I will press for building. Here you can see now output default exception block, means the control is entered within this catch all block. Okay, so whenever this thrown statement encountered, the control come outside of try block and it starts searching for integer type of catch block. So here this is character type of catch block, so it come to next catch block. So it found this catch all block or generic catch block. Okay, and as it is having ability to catch all kind of exception, the thrown integer exception is caught here, and we got output default exception block. Okay, so while using this catch all block, the important thing you need to remember, it must be at last. It must be at last after defining all type of catch block statements. Suppose I have one more statement, catch, let's say I will declare float f, within this I will say cout exception of float type. Okay, like this you can have n number of catch blocks as per your requirement, but the important thing, the universal catch block or this catch all block should be at last. You cannot put this catch block in between here like this, or you cannot place this catch block at start immediately after try block. If you try to do, it will generate error. Okay, so this is how you can use catch all block for catching all kinds of exception. Okay, so friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will meet you in another video. Thank you for watching.